December 21, that was the third day, third night. So we were deliberating with my chairman and my co-jurors, and then suddenly when we were talking about the best picture, Mr. Dominic Lu and Manik Chu said from the side that, by the way, you cannot judge Honor Thy Father because it's disqualified. So he said from the best picture. So we said, we were quite confused then. So we said, disqualified from all the categories. Then they clarified. They said no, only in the best picture, because then they explained because they were not open, and there was no disclosure, and then only for best picture because it's for the producer. But for the other categories, it's okay for best actor, best actress, and so on and so forth. So then I remembered we were asking pa nga, are you telling us or are you asking us if it's going to be disqualified? So one of them said, no, we're telling you it's disqualified.
Paano po nangyari that according to the doon sa sinabi ng juror dito, that Mr. Dominic Du and Ma'am Marichu Maceda, paano naman mangyayari na meron ng decision bago pa mag-execute?
After December 21, Your Honor, we had no time to call the executive committee because we were busy preparing for the Parade of Stars, which was December 23. December 24, we could not. December 25, we could not.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Mr. Chairman, very sorry. I would think it's very important that, you have to call an executive committee meeting regarding disqualifying a film.
I admit, our position was we should have disqualified them early enough.
What we mean to say when there was non-disclosure was at the time they submitted their intent to join the film festival, and it was on October 22. The reason why we disqualified Honor Thy Father is because we want to send a message to the future entries of the film festival that the violation of the rules should not be taken lightly.
If in fact we had violated the rules, there was more than enough time once they had learned of our participation on November 5. Part of your rules is that we have a 10-day period to appeal. But by disqualifying us one day, on a Saturday afternoon, by disqualifying us on a Saturday afternoon by email of the disqualification of Honor Thy Father, we were absolutely deprived of our right to appeal, of our right of due process. Where was the 10-day period there?